Hello, this is Prof. Dale. May question sa akin. Sir, hirap na po ako maghanap ng trabaho. How can I be hired? How can I be unique as possible to my competitions? Okay, how can I be competitive? Number one, hanggat maaari, get hands-on experience. Let's say, walang company tumatanggap sa'yo. Manood ka ng YouTube. Mag-search ka ng mga Google sites or websites na makakatulong para ma-enhance yung iyong hands-on experience. Kasi maraming mga nasa company ngayon na hirap na mag-research, mahirap na silang mag-upgrade dahil sa sobrang busy as a Power BI developer. Edge mo na yon dahil may time kang mag-research. And then, let's say, maghahanap ka ng bagong trabaho as a Power BI developer, may kinabang ka doon. Next is, hanggat maaari, it's an optional to have a certifications. Kasi marami akong mga empleyado na natatanggap tapos may certifications pero hindi naman marunong. Okay, so hanggat maaari, napaka-essential talaga yung marunong mag-hands-on talaga. Madalas na akong natatanso. Alright? So, yung sinabing madalas na akong natatanso, may maraming may empleyado or applicant na maraming training, certifications, pero pagdating sa hands-on, next question. Okay? So, next is soft skills. So, hanggat maaari, as a Power BI developer, marunong ka rin mag-express ng skills mo through verbal. Kasi kailangan mong i-express yung idea mo. So, napaka-importanting soft skills. Kasi kakausap ka ng mga CEO, executives, managers, supervisors, mga users, mga clients. So, kailangan marunong ka makipag-usap. Mapa-English or mapa-Tagalog. Kaya mong i-express yung functionalities ng dashboard mo. Yun yung importante doon. Okay? Next is leverage your LinkedIn and networks. Kapag ikaw naghahanap ng trabaho, hanggat maaari, if you have LinkedIn, i-update mo yan every quarter. Kasi yung LinkedIn ngayon, it's like a live or real-time resume. Kasi nga, sa LinkedIn, nandun nakatingin ngayon yung mga employer. Pag maganda yung LinkedIn mo, yung experiences mo doon, then madali kang mahanap nila. Minsan kasi, pupunta ka sa ibang mga job applications like JobStreet, Foundit, ang hirap kang mahanap. Pero sa LinkedIn, madali lang. Alright? So, kindly, paki-update yung mga identifications mo, certifications mo sa LinkedIn. Okay? Next is freelance or internship. Find a company na nagbibigay ng internship and then ask for their certificate of internship. Sa akin, okay rin. Okay lang sa akin yung mga ganon. Pero make sure na competitive yung binibigay sa inyo task. Pag sinabing competitive yung task, hindi yung simpleng dashboard lang. Kasi take note, marami kang competition. Lahat sila marunong gumawa ng dashboard. Think of a way that you can be unique versus them. Alright? So if you have more questions and if you would like to be trained under me, just message me, and thank you very much.